So my dad always told me that education is the key out of poverty, okay? And this proverb really stuck with me my entire life. And I know if you're watching this video, you are an education consultant or you want to be an education consultant. Whether you're a teacher that wants to leave the classroom, you are a communications expert, a graphic designer, whoever you are, whatever you do, whatever your expertise is in, we are all educators, okay? And this is where Black Educators Amplified comes in. It's our 8-week group coaching program. And I want to tell you more about the outcomes that we've seen and the incredible things that are happening because we know that it is time for our people, the Black community, to get serious about business, to get serious about purpose. Because if we do not leave a proper legacy for the generations after us, we can guarantee that they will come into something worse than what we came into. Now, most of us, we didn't come from super wealthy families. We didn't come from families that brought down financial knowledge, business knowledge, even spiritual knowledge. Most families just didn't do that. A lot of times we leave all of the education to the institutions, right? And this is the biggest mistake that we can make as a community. Our community needs to be accountable, take hold of our own education, and implement it for the generations that are coming after us. So, if you're a math teacher, a math tutor, this is time for you to get serious about business development. But I know the thing is that all of us talk about in our community. And by the way, my name is Tiffany Garsad. I've been an entrepreneur for the past 8 years, serving marketing agencies, business advisors, e-commerce companies, and over 200 different businesses with their marketing strategies. Okay. So I know a thing or two about what's going on with business development. A lot of people in our community automatically say, the white man locks us out of these things. And I agree to an extent. I've worked in board marketing meeting rooms where I am the only Black woman giving voice to my people in these board rooms. But the thing is, we can have this victim mentality, or we can decide, hey, just like our ancestors pulled themselves up by their bootstraps, we can do this as well. And we could have a level of profitability and wisdom and understanding in business to give off to the next generations. Okay. And so if you're a math tutor, if you are an art director, if you are in the creative social sciences like social work, psychology, or if you are a communication strategist, a graphic designer, somebody that wants to build a consulting firm, this is for you because at the end of the day, the 9 to 5 is not going to last forever. We already see the outcomes that are happening in the job market. There was actually a study that just came out within the last week that said more people are not able to get jobs who have college degrees. Now, what can we do? We can sit here and allow this to happen, or we can say, you know what? I have expertise, I have education, I have a valuable work history. And by the way, you do. Our community, we are experts, like beyond most people, just because it took that much to climb the corporate ladder. Now it's time to use those giftings and those skill sets for your own business. Okay, let me break down what this looks like inside of Black Educators Amplified so that you understand what I'm talking about. And feel free to leave your questions below because I am available to answer your questions as you leave them in the comments section. But I want to tell you a bit about what each week includes inside of the group coaching program so that you understand how we created it. Before I even get into that information, the group coaching was actually created from the framework in our marketing agency, Tiffy G. Rice, I was telling you about earlier. And we literally took the way that we serve large scale tech education consulting companies, e-courses, business advisors, tax strategists, e-commerce brands, the way that we articulate the brand message for these companies and we use it in the business. Now, we typically serve these businesses with website copy, email marketing copy, or brand messaging and brand strategy. And this is where Black Educators Amplify comes in, where you get to get all of these without paying the multiple thousands of dollars that these businesses pay us to do it. Instead, it's an incubated group of 4 people. And actually, there's only one slot left at this time because we start July 7th, which is literally next week. So there's one slot left. But during week 1, we're going to go through a 20-question proprietary framework that we created inside of our agency. You won't find this framework anywhere else, but it is critical to pull what we like to call the gold nuggets out of your work history, out of your offer, so we have something tangible to build your website copy. Because the reality of the matter is you can have all the cutest graphics, the cutest photographs, the cutest glitz and glams of marketing and business development. But if your message and your position does not resonate with your audience and it's not based on a deeper level beyond AI and Chat GPT, do not look. If you ain't heard it before, I'll be the first one to tell you. Do not use Chat GPT to write all your website copy. In this program, we're going to help you write your website copy so that you can attract the right clients and propel the wrong ones, because the foundation of every business is your business plan and your website. Now, if you don't have the right foundation, your business will crumble. And we've seen lots and lots of businesses crumble just in the past few years. Now, weeks 3 and 4, that's what we're going to cover during weeks 1 and 2, those 20 questions. Then during weeks 3 and 4 on the Zoom sessions, you're actually going to start writing the website copy and learning video marketing. Okay, my husband is an expert video editor. He's going to come in and assist you with being confident on camera and creating your own video marketing strategy during weeks 3 and 4. And then during weeks 5 and 6, I'm going to come in and assist you with building your entire email marketing funnel. And I'll just give you like a short little generic synopsis of what that is right now. The email marketing funnel is where you bring people from being unaware of who you are to being problem aware of the problem they're experiencing, to being solution aware of your artistic group coaching program, your math tutoring session, your business consultancy service, whatever it is, your retirement group coaching program, whatever your niche and industry is, they're going to understand the solution. And I'm going to show you how to write masterful emails like an incredible copywriter to literally glue and magnetize people's eyeballs to your website copy and to your email copy. And then during launch week of week 7 and 8, you are going to get your 3 to 6 month content calendar created by me, okay? A marketing strategist of 8 years. I'm actually going to go ahead and create your entire calendar so that you have a clear and precise roadmap to get from point A of being this educator that does not know how to pivot, that does not want to work a 9 to 5, that needs to acquire more clients, needs to perfect pricing, needs to perfect business development so that you can live a life of freedom, whether you want to live that life of freedom outside of America or in America, or maybe you're in Asia, wherever you are, whatever your goals are. If you want to invest in real estate, if you want to have more time for your family, if you want to work 20-hour or 15-hour work weeks, right? We work about 20 to 15 hours a week, and that's it. And we can show you the exact same framework. So during launch of week 7 and 8, you're going to go ahead and have that clear roadmap so that you can have the dream life that you have been called to live outside of modern day wage slavery and just being stuck in corporate America. So we look forward to teaching you again as of June 26th. We only have one slot available for this cohort that starts on July 7th. So go ahead and learn more below to see if it's the right fit for you. Be blessed and talk soon. I'll leave a few blog resources as well if you want to learn more about how to become your own education consultant. Talk soon.